In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change frames per second, or FPS, in Blender. Whether you're crafting your latest animation masterpiece or just getting started with 3D modeling, understanding how to adjust your FPS is crucial for making sure your project looks perfect, no matter the platform you're using. Let's dive right in to make this process as seamless as possible. To begin, open your Blender project and locate the output properties. This is usually found on the right-hand side of your interface within the Properties panel, represented by a small printer icon. Clicking this icon will bring up a set of options related to your render output settings, including dimensions, frame rates, and other essential features. This section is where you'll make the adjustments to your FPS, so let's explore the details. Once you're in the Output Properties tab, look just below the Format option. Here, you will find a label for frame rate or something similar, often shortened to FPS. Click on the down arrow next to it. This action reveals a drop-down menu with a list of preset FPS values. Common settings such as 24, 30, and 60 frames per second will appear as options. Selecting one of these will automatically update the FPS setting for your project. However, what if the preset options don't match your needs? Maybe you're working on a project that requires a very specific frame rate. Blender has you covered here as well. Next to the predefined FPS options, you should see an option to select Custom. Clicking this will allow you to enter a specific FPS value manually. This is particularly useful in situations where you need precise control over the timing of your animation or when you're working with footage shot at non-standard frame rates. After entering your desired frame rate, make sure that all other settings, such as resolutions and aspect ratios, complement this choice to avoid any unintended results in your final render. It's always a good practice to do a quick play through your animation to ensure everything moves smoothly with your new FPS setting in place. And there you have it. Changing the FPS in Blender isn't complicated at all when you know where to look and how to adjust your settings to your liking. Remember, adjusting the frame rate is more than just a technical requirement. It's a creative decision that can impact the storytelling and feel of your animation. By taking control of it, you ensure that your project maintains its intended tempo and quality. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe for more Blender tips and tricks. Happy animating!